Eye Cream Anti-Aging. CeraVe Skin Renewing Eye Cream deeply hydrates, visibly smooths, firms, and brightens delicate skin around eyes while helping restore the protective skin barrier. Caffeine Eye Cream for dark circles puffiness. Formulated with caffeine to help visibly reduce puffiness, peptides to help reduce the appearance of fine lines crow's feet wrinkles, and niacinamide to help visibly smooth fine lines brighten skin. Eye Wrinkle Cream for sensitive skin. This hydrating eye cream is fragrance-free, paraben-free, allergy-tested, ophthalmologist-tested, and suitable for contact lens wearers. 3 Essential Ceramides. Ceramides are found naturally in the skin and make up 50% of the lipids in the skin barrier. All CeraVe products, formulated with 3 essential ceramides, 1, 3, 6II, to help maintain the skin's natural barrier. Developed with dermatologists. CeraVe Skincare is developed with dermatologists and has products suitable for dry skin, sensitive skin, oily skin, acne-prone, and more. Top reviews from the United States. Good basic eye cream. Good ingredients. Thicker and more occlusive than the eye repair cream from the same brand, but still not too thick or heavy. I use this one at night and the eye repair in the morning. I wish the price was more in line with the eye repair. This is getting a little up there for drugstore eye cream, but it's still not too outrageous.